are going to love the 2020 Mercedes GLE. The GLE comes with the full Mercedes luxury experience. It combines the sports sedan performance with SUV stability. It comes with beautiful, serene-looking interiors and a command system that is close by to access every setting under the sun. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, power liftgate, keyless entry, power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, cruise control, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.